15 liters and 30 liters pack can transfer into a backpack. An 8 liters pack a crossbody bag. All can be hand-carried conveniently. Single pack mounting guide. The first way, the backseat mounting. First, fix for subframe starts on the metal rear subframe. Insert the reinforced elastic straps into 2 holes on the top of the pack. Then cross the 4 subframe stops through side mounting hanging holes. Lastly, interconnect the 4 release buckles. Always pull on each straps to take up the tension. The second way, side rack mounting. First, fix the 4 subframe starts on the side rack. Then thread the subframe starts through hanging holes and connect them with the elastic straps. Two-in-one combination mounting. Fix subframe starts on the 4 top D-rings. Then thread the subframe starts through top pack hanging holes and connect them with the elastic straps. Three-in-one combination mounting. First, fit the 30 liters pack on rear seat. Fix the subframe starts on the 4 side D-rings. Then thread the subframe starts through middle pack hanging holes and connect them with the elastic straps. Fit the third pack on the other side of the middle pack with the same moft. 4-in-one combination mounting process is the same as the previous ones.